Do you have a commercial property with small heat islands, those hard to maintain areas where grass won't thrive and bare ground creates both an eyesore and a liability? These spaces often turn into ongoing maintenance headaches. Uneven surfaces, exposed soil, and worn down areas don't just impact appearance, they can create real safety concerns underfoot. And let's be honest, that's not a risk worth taking. The good news? There's a smarter solution. Artificial turf has earned its place in today's landscape, and for challenging commercial spaces like this, it's one of the most effective upgrades you can make. For this medical office center in Ponte Vedra, we partner with ownership to completely transform these problem areas. Our team designed and installed premium artificial turf to create a clean, consistent, and professional look year-round without the constant upkeep. We complemented the turf with decorative rock borders for visual contrast and durability while eliminating the need for irrigation in these spaces. And throughout the property, we refreshed surrounding beds with new mulch, tying everything together into a cohesive, polished landscape. The result? A safer environment, a cleaner appearance, and a long-term reduction in maintenance and water usage. If you're ready to upgrade your commercial or residential outdoor spaces, whether it's artificial turf, putting greens, hardscaping, or lighting, we're here to help. Contact Jack's Outdoor Solutions today for your free consultation at jacksoutdoorsolutions.com.